Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete all the pictures from your iPhone. It doesn't really matter which iPhone you guys have, whether it's the X, the 7, 6, 5, whatever, it's the same thing. Batch delete them all from your phone using your Mac. So we're going to do that right from Photos. So here's my Photos app. If you guys don't see it down there, don't worry about it. Just type it in your Spotlight search and go into Photos. Alright, so here's my Photos app. Just double click on it. Let's open it up. So on my left hand side, once my Photos app turns on, just make sure you have your iPhone, iPad, Touch connect to your computer. Here's my device, which is my iPhone. Alright, so I can see it right in the left hand side, okay, in that bar. You guys should be able to click on it, then wait for it. It's gonna load up all your pictures. Once they're all loaded up, then you guys can actually select them all really easy. So just start up from the first one, scroll all the way down to the last one. This is about 3,000 pictures, 3 or 2,000 pictures, something like that, including some videos in there. So I have them all selected. Right here you guys are gonna see import, so that's 2,400 pictures, and here there's a check mark to delete them all. Alright, so after the import you can delete them. If you guys don't want them in your computer either, you guys can just command delete them after you import it, and that's it. Okay, you guys are gonna basically do what I just did right now, but just press command delete and just delete them all from your Photos app on your computer. So I'm gonna import them, and since I'm importing them, they will become deleted right after I do that. Okay, so just become aware of that. Right here, so I brought it down so you guys can see it, but right here I can see my progress bar. Okay, this circle is showing me what's going on, how many pictures are importing, and just wait for it. If it's a ton of pictures, that's how it's gonna be. Obviously, the higher res your pictures are and videos, the longer they will take to actually import, and obviously same goes with the amount of pictures and videos you guys have. This is the quickest way to actually delete everything. Now, there are other videos that show you do it right from your phone, where you just scroll the way down and then with your thumb you swipe up all the way to the top, and then you just keep selecting everything. I know that's kind of slow, but that's another way to do it. I'm not really gonna show you that here because it's been done so many times. I'm showing you the way that you do it from your Mac, so you don't have to do anything yourself really. You're just selecting everything right away, and this is the quickest way if you guys have a ton of pictures like I do. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here really in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.